See me. Street. See cars covered in snow. Ooh, you have to pass the test of walking like a penguin. No rush. Otherwise, you will just hear cracking on the floor. And nobody is ready to come and carry you up. Oh, you have to call 911 there for them to come and pick you to emergency. Even the breeze, oh my god, the wind is winding because thank god my sister told me that I am a matter, so I'm occupying space. This wind cannot carry me at all. No way. See now, I am beautifully and wonderfully made. Hmm? Occupying space everywhere. Come on, nobody can try it. Okay, see you. Man is freezing.